Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a very special scrapbook I made for a beautiful couple. Their name is Swati and Abhi. So the title says Swabhi's story. Swati plus Abhijit. There is a beautiful cover page showing a couple sitting in a cafe with the beautiful elements. Here also you can see a treasure box with floral elements. On the first page I have decided to show their childhood memories, and there is a fun pop-up element where they can put 4 photos. They were reconnected through WhatsApp after a long gap of 4 years. So I made a pop-up for 3 photos inside. See, when you slide this, it goes up and there are 3 photos. And on every page there is a big photo mat where they can put 4 big photos. Now this is a page for their first movie together. And there is a cinema hall pop-up. This page is for their proposal celebration. Here I made a beautiful pop-up with a ring, and inside a ring there is a couple element, and there is a room for 2 pictures. They were in long distance relationship. So I designed this page for so many photos and hidden messages. See, once you open this page you can see 4 photos, but when you actually turn the pages, inside there are 4 more photos. These are, you can say, hidden photos, and there are 2 big photos on the cover. This is a page where they have decided to tie the knot, and there are 2 photos inside. This is a beautiful page for their marriage photos with a beautiful couple with all the decorations. And when you open, the beautiful golden frame pop-up is there, and the bride wanted a airplane, so I showed this airplane. And this page is designed for their court marriage, and a fun pop-up inside. And there is a pocket where they can tuck photos. Now this page is designed to keep their ritual photos, and there is a beautiful pop-up. Here they can put 5 photos, and this golden frame is designed for the reception photo. Here there is a fun pop-up element where there are 4 reversible photos, and it is magnetized. Now their life is completed, and I designed this page to put their photos. And this page is designed for their future child. This completes the story of their love and life together. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of this beautiful memory-filled album. Let me know in the comment section what do you think of the design, and if you like to order one for yourself, feel free to DM me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more scrapbooking ideas. All these papers are designed by me, and you won't find it in market. Thank you so much for watching.